Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix and solve this problem on Twitter. Just watch this video till the end and make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. So let's start. So now and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you will find a lot of options. You will click just on apps, and then on apps what you should do, just you have to go and search only for Twitter. And when you found it, just click on it like this, and then go to storage, click on clear cache. I used it before. Then click on clear data. Then you have to go back and click on force stop here in the bottom of the screen. And then what's next is to go into Play Store and updating your Twitter. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't